Hey y'all, it's Elorajade once again, and today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to try a lipstick swatch video. Recently, Uomabeauty had a huge, like up to 80% off sale, and I'm a lipstick junkie. So I got a couple of lipsticks. I won't say how many, you'll just see in the swatch video. But stay tuned. I've heard many great things about these lipsticks. They're matte, but I heard that they're like buttery. And I did shoot a makeup tutorial, so got a little powder. You'll probably see the same backdrop and you'll see the same dress and same look in another video, because I was like, I'm not wasting time. I'm gonna do 2 videos, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch these lipsticks, and
oh my god, what is that?
I'm pretty sure my lips are going to be sore, but I do have my makeup removal wipes. So I got 2 different lip products. I got the Boss Gloss. Look at that packaging, it's pretty. And then I got the Badass Icon lipsticks, and these are mattes. The Icon lipsticks go for $24, I think, and these are usually $22, but these right now are on sale for I think $7.95 on the site, but when I got them they were like $4. So I'm excited to try these, and I've been eyeing them for a long time. As soon as I saw that birthday sale, it was like I had to. Alright, so if you want to see these lipsticks and lip glosses, make sure you stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment. Just keep watching.
Lying in your arms, I don't wanna budge, 'cause it's too comfortable. Can't nobody pull me from this love. Just staring in your eyes, it makes me wanna blush. And I feel fire all through my body from every place you touch. When I'm with you, it's like I'm in heaven. In heaven with you, I'm floating on clouds, and I'm never coming down. It's so amazing how it all comes down to it. Cupid shot, I was hit, and I haven't ever been the same since. You came shining your heavenly light, an angel in disguise, baby. You are all mine, baby. You are all mine, baby. Lost in your embrace, so please don't let me go, 'cause this is special and 10 times better than any love I've known. It's all still so real, these feelings we exchange, and I'm so happy it's finally happening. I'm praying that you'll stay. When I'm with you, it's like I'm in heaven, in heaven with you. I'm floating on clouds, and I'm never coming down. I'm so amazed how I'm recklessly in love with you.
Y'all, most of the time when you do lip swatch videos, like of course your lips are gonna be like sore, but these lipsticks are so like buttery. Like it's a matte, but it's buttery. Like, oh my gosh, they feel so nice on the lips. Of course, you know, my lips are still, but they're not like other lip swatches I've done. It's nothing compares to this, because my lips aren't like sore. Like these are so soft. Oh my god, they are like amazing.
I can't imagine anybody with a love like you. It's like my mind, body, and soul is so aligned with
was a lip gloss. Oh my God. That is gorgeous. I couldn't help but interrupt. Oh my. I wish I would have got more. Uoma is no joke. These products are like, they are stunning, gorgeous, and they feel great.
If you need me to tell you, when it all comes down to it, keep it shut, I was hit, and I haven't.
Alright y'all, so there you have it. That was the uomabeauty Badass Icon lipsticks and the Boss lip gloss. Let me tell you something. The formulas of these lipsticks, it just glides on, and even though they're matte, it's like a cross between satin and matte. I love that. That's like the best lipstick formula that I have experienced yet. I'm telling you, I have a lot of lipstick, but these are like amazing if you have a chance. I know some of you might want to wait for a sale, but if you don't have to wait for a sale, just at least try one of them. Just try one. It is amazing. And this Boss gloss, it's awesome. Y'all already heard. I had to interrupt the swatches just to tell y'all how amazing. Now this one, this one is a little patchy when you're putting it on, but most deep colors that I've experienced in lip gloss, they all end up being, you know, a little patchy. But overall, these lipsticks are amazing. These lip glosses are amazing. Please, please, please support Black owned businesses. And uomabeauty, great job. I wish I would have got more, but I mean, this is a lot. But I wish I would have got more, because like I could just keep these as a whole collection and be done with it. Like, I don't think I need anything else.
But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
So yeah, if you guys like what you saw, if you want me to continue doing swatch videos, like I said, I have a lot of lipsticks, so I can go through my collections and do lip swatches. Comment below what color you think looked the best on me. I really loved all of them, even the ones in the beginning where I didn't really have to put them with a liner, maybe Eartha, but I really didn't have to. But I did put some of them with a liner just so you could see what it looks like without and with a liner. They're just, I love them. I can't stop talking about it now. So thanks for watching. Again, share the video, comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Elora Slade tutorials.